you so much, and thank you UBI also for giving this opportunity to me. For a new writer, it's a good platform, so I heartily thank you. I'll recite 3 poems if the time permits. My first poem is about a hillside. It's like this. At a beautiful foothill, by the side of a magnificent mountain, stunned by the beauty of dancing flowers and chirping birds, I tried to remember frost and continue my journey. But Lady Nature was so bewitching, it was difficult to restrain. Suddenly, a shining blue line caught my eye. Oh, it was a thin water line coming from the hills. Crystal clear, cool water was flowing through the green grass. A little lamb was trying to drink and a bird was trying to chill. I was compelled to continue my journey, but not along the road, but by the water line. Slowly, the amount of water increased and I reached a brook, a mighty brook. Its water was flowing up to reach the sky and down to reach its home. An endless effort for progress without leaving its roots, a journey alone. I asked it, "Oh brook, why are you trying to reach the place you can't? Tell me your philosophy of life." The brook answered, "I take the message of the mountain and send it to the people of the world." "And what is the message?" I asked. "Never stop trying and never forget your home. People will get you one day and you will never be alone." My second poem is about a little girl. In fact, it is indirectly indicating towards child labor. On a Sunday morning, at a flower shop, I met her. A little girl in a simple frock and neatly tied hair. She was busy arranging flowers in the vases. Her thin fingers were working with care. "May I help you?" Her sweet voice came like a ringing bell. "Get me a rose bouquet," I asked as if in a trance. How could a little girl be so concentrated? Nothing caught her attention except her work. The bouquet was ready. It was graceful and pretty. "Why do you work so hard, child, without rest and play?" I asked the little angel. "My mother is sick, sir. I have to work for food and treatment," she answered. I was stunned. A girl of 8 working to support her sick mother. What kind of society are we living in? What is the system we have made? Insensitive, cruel, and negligent towards its own people, without love and sympathy for our sick and no care for our children. Shall we take a note of it? Think of a support system where our little children don't need to work endlessly to support their sick mothers. Will we move on the path of humanity further? Will we? Shall we? My third poem is about light. A light when you come out of a tunnel by following its beams. The light. There is a light glaring at me. The light is warm but has the ability to scorch. The light is bright but has the ability to blind. The light is my guide. The light gives me strength. The light pushes me. The light pushes me into darker corners. The light pushes me to unexplored places. The light is my savior. It is the brightness at the end of a tunnel. It is the warm glow after a dreary day. The light pulls me to itself. The light burns me. It burns me and I am forced to move. I move ahead to escape the burning light. But then I fall into the light is need of warmth. The light attracts me and others around me. It promises brightness. It promises brightness but consumes those who cannot withstand the heat. The light purifies me. That's all. Thank you so much.